All right, I'm not sure how many of you are here right now, but I am going to start. This will be a very, very, very short lecture. All right, the question got asked as far as what is due today. So I want to make sure people know. All right, I will also take what I'm showing you right now and I will email it to you in just a couple minutes. So there are 3 things that are due today. 2 of them were in the folder that I sent you on the first day of class called balsamic mockups. And they are 2 of the documents that are in there. They're in there as Word files, but here are the URLs if you want the URLs that go with them. One is balsamic mockups first project. The other one is creating a mobile application. Again, I will send them out to you momentarily. All right. The other thing is the homework from unit, not 4, 3 rather, unit 4. All right. And those were 3 problems you were supposed to do. The first one, if you remember, it kind of had a mocked up, it was meant to look like an HTML5 form. It had radio buttons in it, and and a bunch of text boxes, etc., and a bunch of other stuff. The second thing that is due is the rock, paper, scissors, the original rock, paper, scissors, not the one if you're going to modify it later, but just that one. And the third one is the currency converter. So I will make sure, even if you got it already, then just remove it. I will send everybody a copy of each one of these. Are there any questions on what's due today? All right.
No.
I think it was Lauren who sent me an email, and it was fine, that said, well, what about that other thing that you said on there with the Git with Android Studio? No, that was just sent out to you as a guide. You do not have to go over that project. You do not have to do anything with it. All right. I am still trying to go, and what I did was what I told you to do is I started a new project. I copied in all those files, and I'm trying to put it out on GitHub, and it's still not letting me do it. So I don't know what the heck the problem is. I will figure it out. It will be out there on GitHub. Hopefully a working one, but at a minimum one with an error or 2 in it. The ones that are going to be due next week. That is the one with the recycler view. All right. And again, the way that this is working, just so you know, is one of the ways that your attendance is being done, for lack of better words, is did you turn anything in this week? So even if you've only got this done, or this, or one of these, whatever it happens to be, please send me an email by the end of the class period, because these 2 will each fit on one email if you want. Or if you've got one of these or one or more of these done, put them out on GitHub and send me an invitation. Are there any questions regarding that? So as soon as we get done with this mini meeting that we're doing right now, I'm going to send everybody all this stuff again, so I'm sure that you have it. All right. Plus, as soon as I get the document over on GitHub, the project for that recycler view that I started showing you yesterday, all right, I will also send you a link to that. If there are no other questions, I stay on here until everybody who's on here drops off. All right. So I will stay on, but that's all that I had for today. Monday will be a lab, but we're going to do the same kind of thing. And my hope is that by Monday at the latest, I'll be able to say, hey, there's a working version of this recycler view example out there. Click this link and you can copy it. All right. If there are no other questions, that's all I had for today. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You as well.
Thank you.